So, hello viewers. Moving on to the next question in the series of GATE 2025 electrical engineering solutions from the subject General Aptitude. This time with the solution of the question number 9 in the master question paper from the subject General Aptitude of 2 marks MCQ type. The question is given as question number 9. Spheres of unit diameter are centered at LMN, where LMN take every possible integer values. The distance between the two spheres is computed from the center of one sphere to the center of the other sphere. For a given sphere, x is the distance to its nearest sphere and y is the distance to its nearest next sphere. I think next nearest sphere. So the value of y by x is asked. And the options are given as a 2 root 2, b 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by root 2, c root 2 and d 2. Let's move on to solution to this question. Let's understand the question first. Spherical coordinate system को ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. So in spherical coordinate system, what are spheres? Like this. Centered at LMN. LMN कोई भी integer values हो सकता है. Centered से LMN are any integers values. Centers. The spheres. LMN can take any possible integer value. Right. Possible integer values are what? Basically, any 0, 1, 2, 3, anything. -1, -2, anything. Right. Let's assume one sphere is located at the center at the origin. मतलब इसका center है 0, 0, 0. Basically, ये एक sphere मान लेते हैं जो reference sphere है. Let's assume the reference sphere to this reference sphere. So with reference to this sphere, we will draw two other spheres following the given condition that the center coordinates will be integer values. So we need to find the distance between the two spheres. Now एक हम स्फीयर तो चूज कर ले 0, 0, 0 पे, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्फीयर में हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, जो नियरेस्ट स्फीयर होगा उसमें क्या होगा, कोई एक वन होगा इनमें से, इधर 1, 0, 0, मतलब क्या एक्स एक्सिस को सेंटर्ड होगा ऐसे, कुछ ऐसे होगा, ऐसे होगा कुछ 1, 0, 0 सपोज. एक हो सकता है 0, 0, 1 z एक्सिस पे, ये पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है. z एक्सिस ये होता है y एक्सिस पे 0, 1, 0 ऐसे सपोज, उस तरह होगा ऐसे 0, 1, 0. तो ये तीन पॉसिबिलिटी हो गया. This is the nearest sphere. With reference to this sphere centered at this point, this sphere is the nearest sphere. These three. So the distance between these two are what? Simply you calculate it will be 1 units. 1 unit. Because 1 0, 0, 0. So distance formula you can apply and find it. Distance in the center as 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. All 1. Okay. Now next. Nearest sphere. Next nearest sphere will be what? You have what? Center says 2 coordinates will be 1. 2 coordinates will be 1. Another possibility is 1 coordinate will be 2. And other 2 coordinates will be 0. But in that case, मान लेते हैं ये 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. इस केस में कितना डिफरेंस, कितना ये हो जा रहा है? 2 units हो जा रहा है. लेकिन we have some other possibility which is even nearest than this. Center sphere center में 2, 0, 0 ऐसे हो जाएगा, ऐसे हो जाएगा स्फीयर. तो ये और ये मतलब ये तो 2 यूनिट्स का हो गया कितना, लेकिन इससे भी नियरेस्ट हम लोग को और स्फीयर्स मिल सकता है. कैसे? If you take 2 coordinates as 1, like with reference to this sphere, if you take next nearest, so next nearest, this is nearest, and next nearest will be what? You take 2 coordinates as 1, 1, 1, 0. मतलब क्या? XY प्लेन में यहाँ होगा ना, और y z एक्सिस पे ऐसे होगा स्फीयर, like this. इसलिए सेंटर विल बी 1, 1, 0. और हम लोग ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं 1, 0, 1, मतलब y एक्सिस पे 0, y एक्सिस पे का 0 होगा और x और z प्लेन में होगा, z प्लेन में होगा, मतलब ऐसे ऐसे कुछ होगा। तो और एक स्फीयर का सेंटर ले सकते हैं, जीरो सेंटर्स माइट बी 0 1 1, मतलब yz प्लेन में होगा, yz प्लेन में, और सेंटर्स आपका क्या होगा, yz प्लेन में होगा और x एक्सिस का 0 होगा, तो प्रोजेक्शन नहीं होगा इस पे, समथिंग लाइक दिस। So all these, this one, right? इन सब का डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा इससे? If you take distance formula, then it will be under root of 1 square plus 1 square. That will be root 2. With reference to this sphere, at the origin, these spheres having centers at 1 1 0, right? 1 1 0, 1 0 1, and 0 1 1 will be at a distance, having center at a distance of basically root 2 units from the reference sphere. The nearest sphere will be having the center different distance between the spheres as 1 unit, and the next nearest spheres will have distance as root 2 units. This is basically, according to the question, ये क्या है, x है, और ये according to the question क्या है, y है. Basically x equal to 1, y equal to root 2. If you take a ratio of y by x, it will be root 2 by 1, that is root 2. This matches the option C, as you can see. So I basically explained the situation, the scenario in 3D, tried to explain by taking some examples of the coordinates and also showing it as much as possible. It is not possible to exactly plot it because it is 3D representation. फिर भी मैंने कोशिश किया जितना हो सके मैंने उसको समझाने का. I hope the explanation and the of the solution is clear and comprehensible. It is a good question, I think. Maybe a bit difficult to tackle in the exam, but if you go by this method, I think you will obtain the answer easily. And that's all for solution to this question. Thank you.